Hello, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. I'm the senior stylist at René of Paris and I'm the beauty expert, which means I get to work with all the newest wigs, the highest trends, everything that's coming out hot off the press. And right now I'm going to work with something that's quite new. It's from the Muse range, Breezy Wavez. We all love Breezy Wavez. Very, very excited about having this piece in creamy toffee. It's a stunning, stunning, stunning colour. And by request from one of our viewers to see if we can put Breezy Wavez up into a little up style. So if anybody's got any request on any other wigs or anything they'd like to see, then obviously, get it in there and give us a shout and let us know and we'll try do that. So right now, here she is, Miss Breezy Wavez in creamy toffee. So you see, it comes with this gorgeous texture and the bangs, and you see all those different lights in there, which just look, I think, fantastic. Really, really beautiful. And with it not having huge amounts of length within there, we've not got, I say, a ton to play with, but what we have got is we've got all this curl and all this texture, so I'm going to work with that. So I'm going to do a very, very simple updo, which is probably called a grab and grip. Okay, so I've already got some gold bobby pins right here. So I've got a handful of these out just on the cabinet right now, so I can use these. Now I've chosen gold because it matches the hair and then it will not, detract, or you won't see any different colours in there. So the first section I'm going to take is from the crown. So just with my finger, okay, I'm going to get this piece of hair at the crown. If you didn't want to use your fingers, I've got one of the René of Paris bamboo detangling combs, which is awesome, but I'm just going to use my fingers. So working with the curl, remember guys, working with the curl. So I just twisted that round and put a little knot at the root. I'm going to take the bobby pin, open that, and here we are, this knot right here. I take a bit of the bobby pin inside and then move into the base of the wig. Now, if you're familiar with working with wigs and this is no problem for you, great, experiment, explore, enjoy. If you are concerned about putting bobby pins in, or importantly, taking bobby pins out, look, we have a tutorial on there with myself taking bobby pins out, which is quite helpful because we want to keep our wigs in the best possible shape possible. So see my hands, just using my hands like a comb, okay, and then moving that round, turning that into a knot, and then just so you can see, I'm going to turn that round a little bit, take this section, knot the section, and then leave that out. So we get this really fun kind of texture. And like I said, all the hard work is done for you because, Breezy already has this amazing, amazing curl pattern in there. So then just going to let that fan out a little bit. Up style, which still needs some work. We need to make it balance. I've got these what I call fine pins. I don't know if you can can see that. There we go. So now what I do is I just kind of build it together by putting the fine pins in and connecting it. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Breezy Waves in creamy toffee, one of my favourite colours. The bangs look great, just scooped up, a few little pieces coming through, look great, built the hair up. As you can see, loads of texture in there, loads of texture, looks amazing. And the softness is key here, wouldn't you agree? I hope you enjoyed our little upstyling tutorial with Breezy Waves in creamy toffee. From me, Alexander Turnbull, the senior stylist and beauty expert at René, Paris and Aderans. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Carry on watching our videos. Please comment and give us some feedback, because we will try and facilitate anything we can for you. Carry on looking into us on all social media, Instagram, and once again, thank you for being with me today. Alexander Turnbull. We'll see you next time, and thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.